you an amazing woman married to a gaslighting narcissist man? Do you have a minute? Let's take a minute here. Your friends, your family have told you narcissists never change, they can't change, run for your life, get out of there. I'm sure you've heard it 100 times. I'm sure you've said it to yourself a bunch of times. And then you pause to think, wait a minute, is that true? Well, I'm Dr. Don, and I'm going to tell you that, you know what, everybody's saying that, but the research doesn't actually support that belief that narcissists can't change. I follow the research, I follow the science, and the science says that people with narcissistic traits can change. We help women that have decided they want to stay in the marriage. They want to try and stay in the marriage, maybe because they're a woman of faith and they want to stay true to their vows that they made before God. Maybe it's for financial reasons, maybe it's about the kids. Whatever the reason, women come to us and we help them transform themselves and consequently transform the marriage. I want to be super clear here. This is not blaming the woman. It's not the woman's fault. The guy's a narcissist. The guy gaslights. The guy lies. The guy maybe is even unfaithful. All kinds of things going on in him. And the woman is struggling because she doesn't have the tools to respond in a way that creates change. If that's interesting to you, if that's intriguing to you, check out the link below. Find out more. We are here to help.